Go.
Are you tired of having to clean your house daily? Well, we Newton innovators have developed a robot to solve this problem. That robot is Lego. The purpose is to clean indoor floors much like a vacuum, but the difference is that it's a semi-autonomous robot. We developed this project to make life easier, and because that we solve problems within the country about garbage. That is SDG 8, one of the 17 sustainable goals in robotics and science, which mainly focus on improving lifestyle. In this video, we will explain our methodology, demonstrate our robot, discuss challenges, and share our conclusions.
Our robot's design went through a process of brainstorming and sharing our ideas of the robot with different designs and functions. Eventually, we agreed on the functionality of the robot, then we got it on the internet and finalized the model. The robot moves using a remote-controlled car and its functions, picking up trash from its base.
One challenge that we encountered was designing the robot. We had a bit of difficulty on how to implement our ideas from the drawing board. To us, semi-autonomous robot, we overcome this difficulty by brainstorming with each other and using the internet.
So you may wonder why our robot is useful. The robot is a revolutionary cleaning device that has made a significant impact on people's lives. One of the primary reasons why a robot is useful is its ability to automate the cleaning process. With its advanced navigation, system and sensors, robot can effortlessly move around furniture and other obstacles, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning of the entire house. This feature is particularly useful for busy individuals who don't have the time to manually vacuum their homes. Another reason why Roomba is useful is its ability to capture allergens. Dust and dirt, Roomba's filtration system can trap 99% of particles as small as 10 microns, including dust, pollen, and other allergens. This feature is particularly useful for people who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues, as it helps to create a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. Additionally, Roomba's cleaning ash is designed to ensure that all areas of the house are clean.
In future versions, we would enhance design function and materials. We believe that with more time and resources, this robot could be used for much longer scale. Applications like fully automated cleaning and assisting humans with other tasks.
Here you can see the robot successfully navigating and picking up trash.